Hello everyone, in this video I'm just going to show you how to use the new spell checker in Davinci Resolve version 21. So you'll need to be on the latest version to use this, which at the time of making this video is 21. So it'll be enabled by default technically. So if you go to Davinci Preferences, then go to User, you'll see it here under Language and Spelling. So the spell checker is ticked and enabled by default. You can add words to ignore here, just save them once you add them. And then you have two other important options here. So these two will be quite important if you're doing any subtitle work or anything you need to have in all caps. So the options there if you want them. Again, save the changes. So to see how this actually works, it essentially works in any text box in the entire platform now. So if you drop a text box down and you type something in, and as you can see, it'll come up with the typical spell checker, red line, underlined it. You can right click on it, and it'll give you some options for words you can use. It also works in any of the subtitle boxes as well, so if you auto-generate subtitles with your voice, you can go through each of them and check the spelling to see if it's come up correctly, which is worth doing because they do generate a little bit weird sometimes. Anyway, that wraps up this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Cheers everyone.